Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an admin account and permission to change attendance settings. That avoids lockdown problems later. Once confirmed, back up current attendance logs and device configurations to preserve data in case of errors. Next, access the Biometric device dashboard. Make sure the device is online, reachable on the network, and has adequate power so the change process isn't interrupted. You now make the substantive changes. Navigate to Attendance, then Biometric and open User Mapping. Edit time rules, matching thresholds, and enrollment modes. Adjust thresholds incrementally so false rejects don't spike. Once edits are ready, save and push the configuration to the device, then monitor the sync status and server logs for completion messages. If multiple devices exist, repeat or use batch deployment to ensure you finish by validating changes through test enrollments and clock-ins for several users across shifts to confirm behavior. Make sure attendance logs on the device match server records and check for time drift or mismatches that cause discrepancies. If you encounter failures, restart the device, resync the pushed configuration, and, if necessary, roll back to the backup you made earlier. This quick rollback prevents lost attendance while you remediate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.